Let's get started.
Here we are with the 2006 John Deere. This is a 5225. We're going to change the fuel filter here. So you can also verify before you even get started, make sure you have the correct part number. So RE508202. We got the same exact part number on there. And then just to make sure that's actually what's in the box, you can make sure. Because there's so many models and every year, and sometimes they make, you know, an adjustment to a part and end up changing the part number. So it's a revision, but just make sure you have the right stuff before you get started. That way you're not stranded or left with a broken down machine. But what we're gonna end up doing here is we're gonna relieve the bleeder screw, unscrew it, put in the new one, and we're gonna get screw back on, and with that bleeder screw open, we're going to pump until we get air out, until we start receiving nothing but fuel, and then end up starting up. There we go. Won't twist anymore. Put a rag here just to make sure that we don't leave an excess of diesel, because it is oily. We're gonna open up our bleeder screw. There we go. Then we'll pump. So right now what it's doing is filling up that filter with diesel until it starts coming out with straight diesel. Just pump, pump, pump. There we go. Give it one more squirt and then tighten her down. So all right, should be able to key forward and start her. That's it, guys. Make sure to record your hours on the dash, because you're going to want to change it about every 50 hours or so. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave it down in the comment section down below. Make sure to hit that like button and hit subscribe so you don't miss any other content like this in the future. Appreciate the love and support. We'll catch you guys in the next one.
Okay, great stuff!